We just took Chelsea for a sail. She was the winner of a Bart Splash competition for the Andrew Simpson Foundation. We had 15 knots and we got the thing going, and it was a lot of fun.
So Chelsea, how does the 49er compare to the boats you normally sail?
Well, the boats I sail don't have a trapeze, so it's a lot more fun with the trapeze, and it goes a lot faster.
The thing you kept saying all day out there today was, it's so fast.
Yeah.
And what was your favourite part of the day?
Probably nailing the tack and jibe standing up the whole way.
Yeah.
And not falling over.
And probably also beating Gooby onto the trapeze every tack.
Yes.
Yeah, she's pretty quick on the trapeze. She's pretty handy with the tiller as well. She's very smooth compared to what I'm used to.
Thanks, mate. 2, 1, here we go. Beat him out, beat him out. Yeah. So now when you finish sailing the Flying 11s, what type of boat do you want to sail after that?
Well, last year at Nationals I went through and planned it out, and I think 29er, and then 49er, and then I don't know what I'm going to do.
And do you want to steer or crew?
Both.
Great answer.
It's very diplomatic.
Yeah, very diplomatic. Alright, well, good job. And you know, go have some rest. I'm sure there'll be a few bruises on your knees and your shins from all the falling over to start with, but that's normal for skiff sailing. We get bruises all the time, so you know, really impressive. Good work.
Yeah, nice work, Chelsea.
Thank you.
Found another superstar of the sport to shine the shirt.
Not at all.
American.
America. There you go. No problem.